Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you today with some happy mail that I received. I received a couple of sweet cards and a box of goodies, so I want to share those with you today. So the first card is from Jen. She is Sassy Southern NC Girl here on YouTube, and I'm assuming that's North Carolina. You notice I got that drawl in for her. And she sent me a belated birthday card, which is super sweet. Sometimes when your birthday is on a holiday like mine is, the mail doesn't usually run on your birthday, so you may, anticipate receiving cards and you don't get any, the day before, and then you don't get any the day after, and you're like, oh man. I mean, I do get some, don't get me wrong, but it's always been a issue when you have a birthday that's on a holiday. And for her to take time to send me a belated birthday card was super sweet. So thank you so much, Jen. I really appreciate it. And the next card was from Karamia here on YouTube. She's Paper Confessions with Karamia, and she sent me this little cute, adorable Valentine's Day card. This is so cute. I just love the gold writing. I like these type of cards because I can put them up on a card stand that I have in my room for the different holidays. So even though Valentine's Day has passed, I may be using this next year. I think this is super sweet, and I really thank you for it, Caramia. So something funny is that I always know that Caramia is going to include some stickers. So she sent this adorable one with a little bear or critter coming out of the suitcase, and this one of a little kid dressed up as like maybe a cat. Super cute. But this is the one that really had me laughing. So for some reason I picked it up like this, and I looked at it through the, frosted paper here, and I thought, I wonder what that is. So I pulled it out, and I was looking at it, and I was like, well, it looks like a cat is a sandwich or something. I'm not sure. And then as I was getting ready to put it down, I kind of laughed because I realized that it was folded in half. Oh my God, I laughed so hard because I was like, oh, you're such an oldie. Won't you open it up and see what it is? So it is indeed a little cat. He's part of the pancake mix here with his friend. It's super cute. But that caused me a great deal of laughter. So thank you, Karamia. So my next box of goodies I received from Roseanne here on YouTube. She's Roseanne's Happy Crafter Creations. And if you haven't checked her channel, you really should. She is an awesome crafter. She does things that I wouldn't even attempt to do. So she sent me a bunch of goodies. And so I already unboxed it. The box was full of little confetti, and it was really pretty, but it would have been super hard to share on camera. So I've already unboxed it and put it in this tray because it was so many items. So let's get started in what she sent me. So first up, I want to drop it here. No, I think I better. I'm trying to see where I can balance it. Here we go. So first up is this cute little card. And when you see this envelope, you kind of know it may be a Anna Griffin card. So, and it was. And look how beautiful this card is. The layers and the color. I think that is really pretty. And the birthday cake. Super pretty birthday card. I thank you, Roseanne. That is adorable. It's so pretty. Alrighty. So the first thing she brought me was a little, believe it's like a pencil holder, and it's gold. She knows I like gold, so I am definitely going to incorporate this in my craft room. She also sent, and everything was packaged so beautifully. Look at this. She put a stapler in packaging with the really pretty gold floral design up here, and then the stapler is clear and gold. How freaking cool is that? That is gonna look really pretty in my craft room. And then next up, she sent a bag of goodies, and just everything's so pretty. The paper, I believe this is from Anna Griffin, and it's some clips and everything is gold, which is So attention to detail on her part. The little push pins, which and clear and just super cute. I think those are adorable. I know you can't see the stuff that I'm putting to the side. I don't have very much room there. And then gold scissors. And these are heavy duty. I can't wait to use these. These are beautiful. I'm always looking for, I'm trying to see if I can open the package without disturbing this part up here. I'm always looking for some nice scissors. So I can't wait to see how these cut. Thank you, Roseanne. And then this cute little treat bag. And just attention to detail. Look at, so here's one of the little confettis. This was all over my living room, my dining room. Super pretty. And then inside she has some staples for the stapler. Nice. And this is definitely a little keeper. So thank you. And then she made this Rolodex. And it got a little bent in the box, but it is definitely still worth using. So I was just trying to figure out what could I use this for. And I know exactly what I'm going to use this for. I'm going to take this to work, put it on my desk, because I don't like sticky notes on my desk. I hate that. So they usually are piled up into just like one little pile, and then they're things that, you know, I could throw away later because they're to do. So this will be a perfect little holder for my sticky notes that I need to refer to, you know, if I'm working on a project, and then I can toss them and make room for new sticky notes. So thank you, Roseanne. I saw the video where you shared this, and I thought, wow, I would never attempt to make this. This is so pretty. And it's just, I know people are going to, at work, they're going to say, did you make that? And I'm like, no, I didn't. Roseanne made that for me. So it's just super, super cute. Thank you. And then she made me a calendar. And so when I was watching her video, when she was sharing these things on her video, she was saying, I made this for someone who likes maps and globes and gold, and I did not know that she was referring to me, but that's me. So she has gathered that information, I'm sure, from my craft room tour, where I showed that I like maps and globes and gold. So I make calendars, but I don't make one like this. So Roseanne, if you would, I would love to see you make this on your channel, and then that way I can follow along, because I really like this one because I use Post-it notes a lot, and this is such a cute idea. Mine is just a calendar with nothing, but I love this. This is so cool. So yes, I would love to see you make this on your channel. How cute is this? And I will be using this one in my craft room. I have one on my work desk, and I have just the calendar on my craft desk, or my office desk, my home office desk. So I'm gonna use this one. Thank you. Super cute. And then last but not least, oh no, two more things. Sorry. Look at this gold paper stapler remover. So cute. I love stuff like this. I love things to be matching and nice and look, you know, like a little stepped up from the regular. So super cute. I love that. And then also a pen. And I've always loved pens, but look how sleek and cool this pen looks. I love it. It's so elegant looking. I like this pen. And it works, of course. Super cool. I gotta figure out if I want to put this in my purse, leave it on my desk. It's always, I don't know. Thank you, Roseanne. I appreciate it. And now, last but not least, let me move everything back so you can, I don't know if all this other stuff is showing, all the other wonderful items, but let me share with you this little Traveler's, I can't think what it's called. I'm sorry. little photo album. And when she shared this on her channel, I was looking at it thinking, okay, that's something that I don't think I would make. It's so much detail and so pretty. And she said that whoever she was given to, like maps, like Go, like globes. And I was just like, this is so cute. And look at this little waterfall detail. You pull that over. Hope I'm in camera. And then you have room for all kind of pictures or journaling. And I love the paper that she used. Everything is just gorgeous. Great getaway. And I know what pictures I want to put in there. You know, you take pictures and you leave them on your phone, and then you, at one point, you're like, oh, I got too many pictures on my phone, and then what do you do with them? So I can print them out small and put them on here. This is cute. Look at that. Look at that travel. How pretty is that? And then you, more for, look at that globe. Yep. Look at that. That's so pretty. And then these tags that you could pull out and put pictures on. Roseanne, this is just gorgeous. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Little suitcase. Smile, please. Best photo ever. Taking pictures. Good. That's beautiful. So, that's super cute. So thank you so much, Roseanne. You don't know how much I appreciate the time and effort you took to make these items, and then for you to send them to me. That's just super sweet of you. Also, thank you, Karamia and Jen, for thinking about me on my birthday, just making me feel super special. And Karamia, thank you for thinking of me on Valentine's Day. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. And oh, I forgot one more item. I'm sorry. It's on my desk. Man, I almost forgot. It's a die set to make a windshield. What is it called? The swiping card. Oh, I'm sorry. Wiper card die. So it has a mechanism in it that makes something pop up. And so I am working on this right now. So look for a video in the next couple of days, me sharing my card that I create with this. Okay, now that's the end. So sorry about that. I will talk to you guys later. Let me know what you think below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.